Now we'll frost the cake. We're going to put a base of buttercream frosting on the cake, and I like to start with the sides. And you want to put a good amount of buttercream on your spatula and just start on one side like this. And you kind of spread it on with a back and forth motion, a very small back and forth motion. This edge and then this edge, this way and then this way. And then just do a small amount, about 3 inches maybe, and when you put the next glob of frosting on, you start over the frosting that you've already done and just spread it a little further. You want to keep your spatula straight up and down. And don't worry about the frosting that's getting over here or this lip of frosting up here. We'll take care of that later. What the most important thing is that we want to cover the sides smoothly. Don't worry about using too much frosting because we can remove excess frosting after. The most important thing is that we cover the sides. We want to cover the cake completely without getting any crumbs in the frosting. So you just work your way around. You see, you push the frosting along and always frost on top of frosting. Never go straight on the cake. And also when you come off the cake, you want to glide off the cake. You don't want to pluck it off because you can pull the frosting off the cake and end up with crumbs.